One Lashkar-e-Toiba terrorist was killed during a joint anti-terror operation by Special Operations Group of Shopian, the Rashtriya Rifles and the CRPF in Jammu and Kashmir's Shopian district. So this is the latest update that we are getting right now. According to J&K police, security forces heard gunfire during the operation and later recovered the body of the terrorist along with some arms and ammunition from the encounter site. The slain terrorist has been identified as Zakir Ahmed Ghani, a resident of Kulgam district. Authorities have said that the operation was based on specific intelligence inputs, and as we speak, further investigation in this particular case is underway. Sahil Sohail is going to be joining us in just a bit, but this is big news that we are getting at this point in time. This is an outcome of Shopian anti-terror operation. What we have learned is that one Lashkar-e-Toiba terrorist has been killed, and his name was Zakir Ahmed Ghani. He has been gunned down. Sahil Sohail joining us live right now for more on this. Give us more details. Firstly, who was Zakir Ahmed Ghani? What kind of recovery has been made from his spot, from the place where his body was found?
Well, Zakir Ahmed Ghani was affiliated with Lashkar-e-Toiba, a resident of Mochalhama in South Kashmir's Kulgam district. He had joined Lashkar-e-Toiba back in September 2023 and was active in South Kashmir's Kulgam, Shopian and Pulwama district. He is said to be involved in a series of activities, in fact, terror activities. And the security forces had initiated this operation on specific intelligence suggesting about the presence of Zakir Ahmed Ghani, Lashkar-e-Toiba terrorist, and another terrorist, Abdul Latif. This operation was started on Saturday at around 7:45 p.m. And since then, security forces, Jammu and Kashmir Police, the SOG, Indian Army, and CRPF are jointly carrying out search operations in Chanpura area of Shopian district. Initially, there was exchange of gunfire, but then the security forces went on to conduct search operations inside these dens, apple orchards in Shopian district. Today morning, there was exchange of gunfire and dead body was recovered. Police has identified the dead body, and he is being identified as Zakir Ahmed Ghani, a top Lashkar-e-Toiba terrorist. As I said, was active from 2023. Now, in fact, arms and ammunition, including his assault rifle, has been recovered from the spot. The joint team of security forces is continuing with its in fact anti-terror operation in the region, in the area. A search operation is settled on because security forces had specific input about the presence of two Lashkar-e-Toiba terrorists, one Zakir Ahmed Ghani, who has been now in fact killed by the security forces, and another Abdul Latif Bhatt. He is A++ category Lashkar-e-Toiba terrorist. So security forces continuing with the search operation on ground in Chanpura, Shopian. But yes, a big success for security forces, given the fact that the Sri Amarnath Ji Yatra is underway and the presence of local terrorists in the particular area was seen as a threat to Amarnath Yatra, but that has been neutralized now by the security forces. Jammu and Kashmir Police has confirmed and said and maintained that you can run, but you cannot hide. So as of now, in this particular operation, which is going on from last Saturday, one Lashkar-e-Toiba terrorist is down. He is identified as Zakir Ahmed Ghani. He, in fact, had joined this terror outfit on the behest of Basit Ahmed. The terrorist was also gunned down by the security forces in an earlier encounter.
Right.
But yes, this Zakir Ghani and Abdul Latif, but they are were both active in South Kashmir, Shopian, Pulwama, and Kulgam belt. And now Zakir Ghani is dead. The hunt for Latif Bhatt continues.
All right. Thank you very much, Sahil Sohail. Appreciate you joining us with your inputs on the story.